is not my party. I see it. Because people sending come give me. None of them, some of them never come a party. Come.
My program last night, they run while they can. I'm going to get some video. One sheet spread out now on the floor.
No,
and the girl, and the when me say a dog I run past.
That's not my party.
People, you say people wicked and lie?
Exactly. And when them paint them, when them do them, some of them always make police just start target me.
Well, chat and laugh for the pan now, make yourself clear.
Yeah.
So, Ramesh was there?
Tell you the truth, I don't know because as I said, the police them have me in the
Oh, I'm saying paying money and you not getting a combo.
Huh?
Ramesh saying paying money and never getting a combo.
I don't know. I don't know about that because when I say I there at the lockup.
Right.
So I don't know at all what took place, but I just know say when I go around there, I go pack up the liquor and stuff with them. I just know say I just regular party just a go on. I don't see no art, no outrage just a go on or no.
So selected that play. I probably them things that take place before you forward back. I don't know.
No.
I know. I know your party.
No, that's not my party.
So she DJ that player?
6 killer. Yeah.
To me say people keeping that type of shuckle bus, like you know if him that player or what?
Huh?
No, to me say people that type of shuckle bus, like when if him that player or something, I don't know.
Oh no, him never that play. Shuckle bus there England. That's not my party. When I see it, me I say why them people are stay so.
One beat here again, eh?
Exactly. And the other thing, the policeman, when me in there, the policeman hide. Him there they talk to me, I'm gonna somebody know say, him a hide and I take my picture.
Yeah?
Yeah. When I come out, I say, everybody say, Shani, say, get locked up, get locked up. And I say, so oh no. And then I say, girl, me I go send it something. And we are Westmoreland, I get the text.
Yeah, I like that. So, the party is a talk about, even though certain things where the people expect no go on, and everybody has said they want a remix and who has said to keep it that day there. But no, when they come to the public or worse than media, even like chat and laugh right now.
Yeah.
If you have it in mind, say I go do a remix, but you're not gonna really shout it out. I mean, nobody know because all eyes on you and the police watch you every move.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful.
Yeah.
But the feedback where you get so far from last night to today, what kind of feedback it is? How you feel towards it also?
I feel excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you feel like then probably a villa would have been next and like invitation only then?
Right.
So you'd probably look into that then?
Yeah. Definitely. So
all right then. So you'd have like some girl did it, like it like appear some girl did it like for do the work or what the case like it. Or you was like the mother for the house then. Like you would for come for pay the money and you get where I come from?
Yeah.
I saw something like that that go on then.
Yeah.
Okay. Bumbleclad.
Oh.
So people, somebody say I steal them, good have to keep that. So go to about 1,500 people?
Hmm?
About 1,500 people last night?
Repeat?
1,500 people come on the event last night.
Yeah.
Or more than that.
Or more. We get a good turnout.
Good turnout.
And about it just a warm out for me. I tell us a whole heap of cars are coming. The road was busy. And I say, yo, Father God, thank you. I'm a bend down like 101 time and just a pray. I just walk and just a pray.
So the people more goods. So the people more old and get them everybody pay after now.
Every dollar I'm pay them. So nobody
like that
for me.
Me like that. I know say me no
It's
know.
my
Yeah, me I
birthday.
set you, right?
Also.
Yeah, you me I set your goods.
Yeah.
You know, when it come to media, everything is just for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. So meet the party. Meet the party and do ya do. But you know, you have to be discreet upon certain thing. You get where I come from?
Yeah.
Yeah, but class. But how much girl did you have over there for my shot to do the work them goods?
5.
Post. So and 5 active willing girl then combo. Combo clot. Pussy. I either sell condom to a condom that I sell.
Yeah.
Pussy clot. Goods you know you talk about.
Love at just want a bus in a life, you know. I swear. Me a
Hear the deal.
try, long time me a try. Me a try, so guess what, my time now. Me a try long time. Me get whole heap of fight in a life.
Hear me I said to you, goods. Hear me I said to you. Hear me I say, you know about chat and laugh already. We boss 90% of people over here. You get where I come from? Like in a which feel now you want the boss in and now. What you want to do?
Repeat?
What you want to do? Like a promoter, one boss as a promoter, or a dancer, or
Me not promoter, anything.
all right. But you know, see, at the combo boss, you have to run with the name there though.
Yeah. Because definitely because I say me I go change my name on IG as Combo Boss because everybody have be a fake page. People will take down all my picture.
But what you have right now is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, your profile you have right now is good. It ain't not private, right?
No.
No, yeah, not private it. But hear me I said to you know goods. You have to just prepare more for the 8. Prepare more for the 8.
Yeah.
You get where I come from? And you know, so I saw it I go. But as I say, the name at right now, the combo boss, you say you have to run with it.
Oh, hold on, sorry about that.
Yeah, and the phone freeze up. Yeah. So as I say, your name at right now, the combo boss.
Yeah.
Everybody into it.
I just want a chance to just go overseas and just do my thing.
Love how you add me.
In a business, you know. You should file reach over here. Turn on the light. No matter with it. Turn on the light.
Why you add me?
Turn
I
on the
don't
light.
even know how I click on this.
Turn on the light.
Listen to
Make
me.
everybody say who is over here with me right now.
Sorry, I was kidding.
Yeah. Turn on the light, goods.
You know?
I'm a friend for a long time.
Jesus. Why me do Jesus?
Yeah. See there? The Chromazz is here. So Chromazz, we have to say about the party.
Listen now.
We have to say about the party.
Combo Boss, listen to me, no girl.
Yeah.
Every Friday, you're supposed to have this. I mean, I come out in my numbers. I come out. If you want a video woman, book me. Me come free. You're not going to pay me. Just make sure you have some nice girl there. And I know zoo ya run. No come
Perfect.
with no big back beer. I know. You know?
Chromazz. When I see the video, I say the party them I put over. But sure.
Exactly. You know? Make sure, say, you just have a look at one link in your pocket. You know? And don't wrap them out. Be good with them. If you have to do a lot of combo, do a lot of combo. You have to do what you have to do. You get what I say? And just run with the party. Every Friday, I shall be there. I don't feel no Friday going to miss me. I don't ask Christ. I watch porn up every day. So, I could have just watch it every day. I stop it, just stop it right now. Stop it, just stop it. So, I come up, I stop it right now.
So I'm willing to watch it. You do well active look while ago.
Did I go? Start it, you know?
Sorry. So
I don't even know all my insides. Could I answer it and see something?
Bumbo clot.
Love too much foolishness in a life for you.
Chromazz, where you going with you?
They listen to you and come boss and deal with nothing.
Yeah, man.
As well, you tell her about the internet for true, say you have to milk it, because nothing will last. Everybody dead out. So go and milk out the combo boss, rub out the debts them, pay off everybody, and make a little money with this, right? Just so someone say every single Friday. You get what I'm saying?
And combo member, save a lot, spend a little.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
that. I saw it always go in a them game. You get where I come from? Because remember, as a crew, as I say, I got my telephone earlier and everything last ever. So at least I say, when the combo name around, me get this out of it then.
For true.
Yeah, man.
I
say, one the bus, we're over here now. I chat and laugh this. I the only quarantine show I go on for the whole entire quarantine and still there.
Right, true.
Right, true. You get where I come from?
Come on, boss. Sometimes I pick the girl and pick them wisely. We don't really like to see anything. So when I go stand up and tell her,
look up.
You get what I mean? So we want to see some nice, stay good girl. You get what I mean? So if they want to come in at some mask and cover up them face and just show the pum pum, we don't have no problem. We just don't want to see no batter up pum pum, no rub out pum pum, no long train line pum pum out there. So you get what I mean? We want to see some nice, stay good, proper brownie, look a nice chocolate, them will look good too. Mix them, some nice girl. No matter come with the woman, them we have to lift up them belly. So nobody now see what I go on underneath the sun. Nobody now see what I go on under the umbrella. You get what I mean?
Them made it last night. Them look nice. Bleach out, have tattoo, have body, have shape. Nice girl them.
Because remember in a combo, you have to know this in a combo. You have to spend money to make money.
Yeah.
That's how business go.
Get some nice girl.
Because people say, all right, man, I forward back next year because the girl them hot.
And I tell you about the combo if no combo now go on. But I tell you the combo I'm going to roll out in our numbers and then when I get no combo. The combo. And another thing, don't lock up the place, mama. We can't manage them there under the AC and the lock up.
Different location, different place.
Okay, open out the place so nothing linger up here. So you get what I mean? Say? Because some of our weak, we can't manage.
I remember next thing too. Admission. Make sure the money up there.
Whole day today, my belly bottom. Oh God, belly bottom. Cut me go. I said, Jesus Christ, me just shake.
Why?
Yeah, man. And member goods, member admission. So make them pay them good money for forwarding there.
Yeah, and the girl them would run in, the girl them would run in, because guess what? Them might get it free. Some of them might get it free. So you see the one them where and enough of them will out there and them not get no sale for the night. So for come there, so them sure them sale. So all you do is you just take your money at the gate and the liquor, make the girl them make the combo them and the money. You not forget nothing after that. Because you not take nothing. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So make who take, get feed them money and you just collect at the gate and the liquor.
Last night, So any money we make, I feed them one. But I only say $2,000. We use the room.
Okay. So you charge them to use the room. So our room are going and we're coming out in our numbers to see. We are going to see if a room there. We don't want a room live out a door live.
No, but Chromazz, everybody want them to go private life.
No, I'm not a private moment. Listen to me, I come away from Kingston, come away from Portmore to come watch private things. I come to come see.
I ask you a question. Suppose you didn't know under your local files and liquor reach your head, you want a local combo. She a bit brawling, sir?
Who under the vibes and under the liquor? You who? I mean, somebody else back at me? Somebody else actually back at me. Can't me yet.
You get me I come from? You can't make look so brawling. I have to know too. Next thing, Chromazz, I have to tell her this. No phone.
Yeah, you know what Jamaica people say? When I tell them say no phone, oh God, you have to have
that's
somebody.
That's why I tell us the combo boss, but them come to the mask. But them put on the mask, but them get a mask.
She did want a mask, but guess what? She tell me that like Saturday night, she tell me that. I remember
get the mask for the girl them.
You never expect it to be like this. So next time you prepare them.
Yeah.
Next time you well
That
prepared.
really prepare everything well cooperate.
So how much was the admission? How much was the admission? How much for coming?
How much was to come in? Combo boss. Collect your son gone cause she get a bag of call.
Yeah, phone.
Yeah, hear we?
Keep on us.
Yeah.
How much was to come in?
How much was the admission? Phone still. If people call off combo phone.
My call off combo boss. Combo boss, I wonder if you work too. I hear hours them here we are in bed. Repeat the phone. Repeat that one. Remember fear hours?
Yeah.
We are been at the woman hours. Like you not here.
No, it's still a spin.
Yeah, but I'm not on the room thing right now. I don't want a room because I want to see what is going on. If we come, at least I then say me I go pay for coming. Me I go pay for coming for what?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We don't ask you how much you reach for Lagan. Look of vibes.
How much you come in?
Repeat.
How much you come in at the party?
Last night.
$1,000.
$1,000.
I said the $1,000, you have to go switch the price there.
No, make like who can afford the $1,000? Just give me a price.
Small profit, quick sale, lava. If you go $2 grand, $3 grand, and a man. $1,000 plus you have to have a $5 for your combo. A $6 grand.
Listen what I'm saying to you. You know, the money for people come in, so you go and buy a combo, you go and buy a liquor and all them cause something there.
I don't want money them with the man save up. Listen to me, lava. You see the man them when you come, the man them when you come and the man them when I get no pussy and the man them when I have no money. So them save up them little money. See,
everybody has to up the price. Goods, you go for some good. You tell her to go for some good, look at chocolate and calm your skin, girl. Man,
how much I think she for go?
Fucking cloud, them are $3 grand for going at that.
$3,000? $8,000?
Yes. A good time with good car, with good girl.
No, remember, say I just $1,000 for coming in. Remember, for pay, you have to have different money for pay. Plus, you sell liquor.
See it.
Small profit, quick sales. You know, one was in the full play. People just are come in and come out.
No, but in the full and the money now make no sense.
Money I'm gonna make.
All
right. Listen, now she say 1,500 people come. Imagine 1,500 people give you $1,000.
All right, come, but explain something to you, right? And listen to me to Chromazz. You say Saturday and today you're not the same person.
They said the price gone up.
Your name is out there now, so people paid. That's how things go.
$3,000.
Chromazz, you are gonna keep a party. You're not gonna $1,000 in admission because you have your name. I saw it go, goods. I saw it go.
$3,000.
What do you mean?
Me believe in that.
That's why if you know no ugly scam go.
Quick sales. Listen.